folks, are you gearing up for a group project? Well, you can use Canvas groups to help you with the process. So first I'm going to go over here to the left-hand side and select people. From people, you can see that I already have a project group where I have created 20 different groups for my 3 classes, and each group has a different name and different students within those groups. And I like to name groups based on my class period, so first period, third period, and fourth period. Now I'm going to create a new group set here. When I hit this plus button, I can give it a title. I can either allow self-sign-up or I can create the groups later. For this case, I'm going to allow self-sign-up. What that does is that allows me to let students choose their own groups. Now, I want to require group members to be in the same section, so that means first period will only be able to sign up with first period, third period will only be able to sign up with third period, and so on. I can create the number of groups. So in a large class, I want 7 or 8 groups. I can also limit the number of students in each group. So if I wanted it to be 4, I could do that. Now, I typically skip the group leader. The group leader becomes then the person that can submit the assignment, but it's easier just to leave that off. Once I press save, now I can allow my students to sign up for different sections. Now, when it comes to our different sections here, it has auto-created titles of those groups. I can change those titles if I want to. Now, something to note for self-sign-up. If you want your students to sign up for groups, they have to have access to the People button in navigation. So I'm going to go to Settings here. I'm going to turn on navigation, drag up People so that my students can see that, then press Save. Now, if I were a student in my class, I would see People, and I would be able to go to Groups, and then I would be able to sign up for a group. Now, if I go back and I go to People here and I do a new group set, and I skip the self-sign-up process, here is where I can make groups. So this is what I had done with my previous assignment, Group 1A. Cancel that, Group 1B, and so forth. And then you can see I can drag my students all the way over here. So these are students from all of my different classes, and I can drop and drag and add them and even move them if needed. So this is a really, really cool feature that allows you to utilize grouping and differentiate your instruction in a variety of ways. So keep playing around with grouping, and if you want to talk more about Canvas groups, don't hesitate to reach out.